today, I am gonna be playing Animal Hospital. God, I need some. 1, 3, okay. Oh God, patience required. Okay. Chill. Why in the poop? Okay, whatever, I can't. Okay. What do you want? Okay. What the heck? That was weird. Oh my God, literally, where are they going? They're going to room 5.
Hey, I got a bunch of cleaning clothes for you guys to take upstairs.
Why?
Just need a couple of days to make care of it.
I'm running away, bro. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Actually, what just happened?
Guess what? Dad's coming to visit tomorrow.
Why?
Because it's Joey's birthday. Nobody has sleep. Get the fuck out of there! That's gross! Make that french fry pizza.
Mom, you want me to have
You
some?
can have a pizza.
Well,
All kinds of pizza products.
it's like what Bradley said. She like
Guys,
asks
please help.
for shit that she knows I can't say no for. It's pointless. It's like ordering a whole pizza at a party, for example, and not giving it to anybody but.
Oh my.
Like Jesus Christ, stop asking.
You stop asking.
I didn't ask for shit.
It's true.
Okay, so that was it for today. Bye, guys. Peace.